Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a free traffic method for Clickbank product that you can use with this method, and it's a product that's in really high demand, as I'll show you here in just a little bit. This also is something that a lot of people are searching for, and we're actually going to step out of bounds, so to speak, today. We're going to get out of the three main niches, which are wealth, health, and relationships, right? Those are the three main niches, and those are really competitive niches. And most of the time I show you guys ClickBank videos that have to do with those niches. But today we're going to step out of that box, so to speak, and we're going to do something a little bit different ClickBank method here today. All right, so if you're ready to do this, sit back, relax, and we're going to get started on it here right now. So what we want to do is I came over here to this site right here. You see it's a trends.google.com. You see it right up here. It's one of Google's products, and you can do a search and see what people are searching for. And as you can see right here, I typed into the search engine right here adult piano lessons, that you can see right here, and I did a search, and you can see right here that there's a steady rate of people that are searching, adults that are searching because they want to learn how to play piano, right? Well, why would they want to learn how to play piano as adults? Well, a lot of times maybe they thought about it as a kid or didn't really want to, but now that they're adults and they've been putting it off and they've been thinking about it for a while, so now all of a sudden they want to learn how to play piano. And as obviously as you can see here, there are quite a few searches going on throughout the last few months right here of people looking to take piano lessons. So that's the niche that we're going to be dealing with today. All right, now to find our product, of course, we're going to have to come over here to Clickbank, and you see right here we're at clickbank.com. I'm already logged into my account right here. If you don't have an account at Clickbank, it's free to create one. Just come to clickbank.com, click up on the upper right there, click sign up, fill out their form. They will send you a email confirmation, so you want to check that out and get verified and get your account validated and come back over and get logged in, and then click on the marketplace link that you see right up here where my mouse is, and bring you over here to the marketplace page. And there are all kinds of course categories here that you can choose from, and of course, like I said, the main ones are wealth, and then there's health, and then there's relationships and stuff right here too. But we're going to step out of the bounds today, and we're going to do something that has to do with people who are interested in learning how to play piano even as adults. Okay, this is also good for kids as well. Now, if you'll notice here in the search engine, I typed in right here where it says piano up here, and I did a search, and then I searched by gravity right here. I had it sorted by gravity right here, as you see, and it brought up the top one right here. It's called Piano for All right here, guys, and you can make about $22 on the low end sale. And if and they also have a DVD that they can download with their books and stuff here too. And also you can make about $27 per sale on that, which I'll show you here in just a little bit. And so, for example, if we click on this, it has a gravity right here of 60.98, which is not too bad. That's about 61 people that are making profit off of this particular product right here. So if we click on a Piano for All landing page here, or their sales page, and we want to come over and take a look at it, and actually this sales page looks really good, guys. It's been a well developed and well made landing page here, or sales page, and there's some things to click on. It says now anyone can learn to play piano. So you want to get to know the product a little bit, guys. You can see it's got lots of good things laid out. It's really laid out nice, got nice color scheme here and everything, even some videos and stuff. And it talks some about the books that they can get, and then it couldn't be easier to learn piano. It's a really good site or landing page for this particular product here. You can see that their price, the regular price is $79, and today is $39. So if we click on, or they click on order, we'll click on it here and I'll show you. you can see what all they can get: the 9 incredible interactive books, 200 videos plus 500 audio lessons that they can get, and then so on and so forth. It takes them down through. And if you see right here, the $39 one is the instant download here, and you can make the $21.54, almost $22 off of that, a sale of that, guys. And then if they get the DVD, the instant download plus the DVD, that one is for $49, and you'll make about $27 on that. So just be about another $5 that you'll make if they order the DVD as well. So it's a really good product. It's well, being sold pretty well on the internet. So what you want to do then is you'd come back and you'd want to click on promote right here, and you want to get your affiliate link, and you want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here. Now you can put in a tracking ID here if you want, depending on what your, however you want to track it, but that's just optional. I'm not going to do it for this particular method here, which, by the way, guys, I'm going to show you one really good way on a, like I told you, on a site that's getting about 500,000 visitors per month, that you can market this product, and all for 100% free. And guys, the whole thing's 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the world. Which, by the way, also, while I'm thinking about it here, I'm going to come back to my page here on my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below the video right now while we're talking about it. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. All right, so coming back here, you can see it's a really good product, and what you want to do is you get your link, and then make sure that your nickname's in there. Click generate the hop link and get this link right here. Now what you want to do is copy that, and you want to bring it over to, we're going to shorten it up. Instead of using bit.ly though, guys, I usually tell you to go to bit.ly and shorten it up. We're going to do something a little bit different because everybody's using bit.ly. So let's give it a little something different. So if we come over to this site right here called Rebrandly, you see it right there in the address bar. It's rebrandly.com right there. And you can, as you can see, you can shorten your link up right here. So we'll paste in our affiliate link right there, and you can click on shorten, and it gives you this nice little link right here. You see that right there? That I like that. That looks better than the bit.ly link actually. So if we copy that, for example, and then like I always tell you guys, you want to test out your shortened links or your bit.ly links, right? So we want to test this one out here and make sure it takes us. And it does where we want to go, and it's got our affiliate nickname is in there as well. Alrighty, guys. So that's how you do that. Come to rebrandly.com and shorten your link there, and it's a really even nicer looking link than bit.ly is. Alright, so that's the way you do that. Now, once you get your affiliate link shortened up and into something really nice like this, the one site that you want to come to market this product, guys, is right here. It's called Piano World. It's a forum. Now I'm going to show you, this is one way that you can market this. You guys can use your imagination and creativity to market this in any other free way that you want to do it, like Facebook groups. Just do a search for people that want to learn how to play piano, or adult learning pianos, anything kind of keyword like that. Sign up for the groups at Facebook and talk to people in there and share with them your link to this product here on Clickbank, right? And then you can do it with Instagram, you can do it with Reddit, you can do it even with Quora, you can do it with Pinterest, all of the social media sites. You can do this, what I'm showing you here, all right? But this particular way right here will show you it's a lot of people right here. So if we're here at Piano World, you see it right up here in the address bar. I did a search for this, guys, and came up with this forum right here. It's forum.pianoworld.com. And why would we use this site? Like I told you, if I click on my similar web over here, guys, and we scroll up, you can see that the monthly visits to this site right here, guys, is almost 500,000 people per month come and use this site, guys, because they're interested in learning how to play piano, right? And then let's see where, and if we scroll up a little farther here, look here. It's all of the top tier countries of people, mostly United States. People come to this site, guys. The United Kingdom, Canada, Netherlands, and Australia. These are the top 5-tier countries. So this is really good targeted traffic for your Clickbank Piano for All offer, right? What you do is you come here and you register. You click right over here where you see my mouse is. Register, and they will, most forums do send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure you get your account validated and verified with the forum. Come back, get logged in, and here's one really good way that you can do this. Now, 2 ways you can do it. First way, I recommend that you get to know people in the forum. Spend a little time in here, just like you would do on Facebook groups. Spend a little time in here and get to know people and offer your rebrandly or your affiliate link in here to them and say, hey, look, I'm just starting to learn how to play piano myself, and this particular product right here that I've been using has really helped me out in a short amount of time, and maybe you want to see if it'll help you too. And then you just post your link right down there in your comment or your reply to some of these people's posts in these threads right here. That's one way. Another way, guys, is you could start your own complete thread from brand new. Start saying learn how to play piano fluently here. Call your thread that, creating a whole new thread, and then you could come back into the marketplace here at Clickbank, and if we click on the affiliate link right here for Piano for All, you see where my mouse is here. If we click on that, that will open up the affiliate program here, and you can see that they have all kinds of tools over here on the left, guys, for you to market this Piano for All product. And if we click on banner ads, you can see right here, guys, there's all kinds of cool banner ads that you can use with your affiliate link in them right here, and you can paste these banner ads on your brand new thread here that you create, and get people to come in and comment on your thread, and they'll see that banner there, and you're going to make a comment too, and you can also comment and say this is the thread if you're interested in learning how to play piano fluently for beginners and advanced people alike. And then paste your rebrandly link or your Shorten affiliate link there, and paste in one of these banners as well there, and people will click on that, guys, and they'll come over, and I believe this is going to sell really well, and you'll be driving traffic over to this page right here, and you should be able to get some pretty good sales on Clickbank for Piano for All product right here. Now, that's one way. Also, I did a search too, and I did a search for forums, and I came up with this. It's keyboardcraze.com, piano forums. You see right up here in the address bar, and you can see that it tells you there's all kinds of different forums down through here. Piano Society, Piano Street, 8 Notes Piano Forum, and there's one here called Taxi even. And you guys, you can come and check out all these forums and do the same thing there. Put your banner in there, get to know people, and put your affiliate link in right at the bottom of every comment that you comment to other people on their threads, and they will see your comment, and they'll see your link, and they'll click on it and come over and order from the Piano for All product, and you're going to make money on Clickbank that particular way, just like that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. You just use your creativity and do it in many other ways, like I told you, and you should be able to make some pretty good money stepping out of the box of the 3 major niches and getting into something like this people are looking for as well. Just put your link right in front of them and make some sales. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And if you want to see my #1 way to make money online, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com at the top of my description down there. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Also, if you have any comments about this video, leave them down there below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that. And I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day today. Bye-bye now.